Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review for Slimeyland. I bought two 6-ounce slimes. I bought a baguette slime and whipped Oreo cream. So let's just get right on in with the video. So for extras, I got a candy mint, some borax, and her slime care sheet and business card. The first slime I'm showing you guys is the baguette slime. This smells exactly like bread. I was shook. It's such a nice fluffy texture. It was really thick and it inflated like crazy. I was really worried when I was recording this because I don't have any extra slime containers at the moment, so if this self-inflated, I was screwed. Overall, the slime had a really nice texture and the scent was spot on, so I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. So the second and last slime I bought from them is called Whipped Oreo Cream. I've wanted this slime for a good while now and it did not disappoint at all. It smells exactly like Oreos. Yes, the good Oreo scent. It was super fluffy and buttery and it actually inflated more than the baguette slime, which I was pretty surprised about. So I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. So that is it for this review video for Slimeyland. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notifications on my upcoming videos. As always, my information for my Etsy and my Instagram will be in the description below, as well as all of Slimeyland's information. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.